digital power driving the tide of the era. Intelligent iteration renewing the procurement ecology. Xianheng International, as a leading domestic MRO-intensive supplier, being vast and subtle to create a new smooth development phase for the industry. MRO is the materials and services used for maintenance, repair, and operation of equipment or industrial products with non-production material nature in the actual production process. With the expansion of market scale and driven by industry barriers, MRO in China is undergoing intensification, digital transformation, and upgrading. Xianheng International, integrating the time pause, always empowers intensive supply with digital and technological support, making the rich supply ecosystem beyond imagination. Efficient and interconnected MRO government enterprise procurement service platform, providing customers with an ultimate comfortable MRO procurement experience. The company strongly focuses on energy, transportation, emergency, and other sectors. We have leading and stable corporate customers with stable structure and high stickiness, deeply cultivating the major strategic development industries, deeply understanding application scenarios, go deep into the forefront of demand, provide customers with comprehensive and integrated products, services, and solutions. Rich reserves in the industry, abundant and versatile. Strong innovation and R&D capabilities form the company's proprietary brand and product matrix. Complementary technical services and diversified value-added services, flexible meeting the ever-changing customer needs. Xianheng International is based in China, looking beyond the seas, collaborating national marketing service points, building a global market network, proudly leading the industry with global development programs. Taking industry depth as its core responsibility, using digital technology and independent applications as strong spearhead, Xianheng International will gather unlimited strength on the track of MRO intensification services, reaching an unbounded future, assisting the procurement ecosystem with intelligence, embracing a sustainable future.